Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. Alright guys, so today I'm going to teach you guys 2 different ways to do the body roll. As always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Anne, for being the first one to request this. Alright, so one way to learn this body roll is to isolate it into 5 positions, yeah? Those 5 positions are the head, the chest, the hip, the knees, and butt. Hey guys, I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Now, let me explain. The first thing you want to do is tilt your head back, so you're either looking up or looking to the side, alright? Then from here, you want to go into the second position, which is popping up your chest, here. Now notice how my head went from up here to down here, alright? And then you can bring your shoulders back if you want to exaggerate this more, alright? From here, we want to go into the third position, which is the hip shooting to the front. Notice how my chest is collapsing, alright? So this is like a lazy position. I don't want to do anything today. So from here, you want to go bend your knees slightly down. This is the 4th position, all right? From here, you just want to shoot back your butt back, all right? And that's the last position, all right? So let's just rewind, starting with the head. You want to take tilt your head back, and then from here, you want to say chest up, and then from here, you want to go hip to the front, and then you want to say bend your knees slightly, and then you want to shoot the hip back. Alright? Alright, now let's just practice that a few times. So, starting with the head, I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to start wow, wow, wow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go hip, back, and chest, and hip, and knees, and back. Alright, let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go head, chest, hip, sit, back. All right. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go head, chest, hip, sit, back. And then once you feel comfortable doing this, then you can practice it in one motion. Then you can go head, chest, directly into the hip, knees, sit back, and then again, head, chest, hip, knee, butt back, and then faster, faster. Now, I also have a different way of learning this body roll, and that is to think, just focusing on your hip first. So what you want to do is move it in a circle. So what I mean by that is you want to move it to the front here. So I'm shooting my hip to the front. Then I want to go down. Yeah. Now I'm always shooting it back to the top. Yeah. So notice how this is a circle. Down, back, up, front, down, back, up, front, down, back, up, and so on. So this is one circle, right? Now, first you just focus on the hip going in circles, and then afterwards you can think about the upper body. So what the upper body is doing is when I go up, my chest is leaning to the front. Now when I'm on the top, I want to lean back, and then I go down, then I want to lean to the front again, and then I go up. When I go down, I'll lean back. When I'm down, I'll lean to the front, up, lean back, down, front, go up, lean back, and so on. And then eventually you can do a wave, yeah? Now this is like a plain wave. If you want, you can add more chest, 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 and maybe even some shoulders. Way. Alright guys, so that was 2 different ways to learn the body roll. Now, as with everything, you just need to practice it. It might look a bit stupid in the beginning, but I promise you it's gonna look good in the end, alright? So that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the body roll. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.
home.